So the Fair Labor Standards Act of 1938 still applies today, of course, in the US, and therefore you have the ability to have the system help you manage this and take care of some of the administration for it. First of all, as with all Interact modules, you have configuration capabilities. Now, and this will be pre-configured based on the law, but the system has the configuration capability in case this system is used in other countries where there might be similar but different rules. So you will see that everything is configurable, even though you may not want to touch any of this configuration. You can see here the exempt job categories, and as well as the exemption test questions. Interact HRMS FLSA module allows you to define the exemption test question so that you can document appropriately that you have administered these tests and that the answers have been recorded correctly. So that means that for every single employee, you will have the FLSA exemption test, and that test will document whether this employee has been verified as passed the exemption test, which means the employee is exempt in this case based on the answers provided and falls in the professional employees category. Another employee, on the other hand, may not be exempt based on the answers. So this system will allow you to make sure you have these questions on the record. And secondly, so if you ever have to show the authorities why a person was determined non-exempt, you have the record why this was done and how this was done. Secondly, you'll also have the FLSA record itself that will enable you to show exactly what each employee got paid. That FLSA record can show you all the details for an employee, showing the year, the pay period, the week, and the hours worked during that time, and the rate that the employee was paid, and so on. Everything will be tracked as per the regulations of FLSA so that you are always compliant no matter what, and the system takes care and reminds you of the things that you need to know. That's what FLSA is all about.